Hi, everyone. Nathan Stowski, Wealth Manager at Pacific Excel Wealth Advisors. Thank you so much for joining us. Today, we're going to touch on the economy, the markets, and a year-end reminder. First, let's talk about the economy. The economy continued to grow at a healthy pace in the third quarter. We have a resilient job market, and there was an impressive amount of spending by the consumer. Anyone who saw Oppenheimer, Barbie, Taylor Swift, or Beyonce, they witnessed firsthand how strong the U.S. consumer has been over the last few months. We did also see an uptick in manufacturing. It was the strongest quarter in the U.S. Over the last 2 years, even after a year and a half of interest rate hikes. Second, let's talk about markets. Markets did trade lower for the third quarter. There was a decline in the S&P and bond index of around -3 and 3.25. How are investors supposed to wrap their head around this? When the economy is strong, from our perspective, strong growth tends to result in higher inflation. When you have strong demand, you have more competition for goods and services. That's going to drive prices up. Now, markets are concerned that because of this strong growth, the Fed will have to keep interest rates higher in order to keep inflation closer to their inflation target of about 2%. All things being equal, higher interest rates tend to lead to lower equity and bond prices. And it's really difficult to predict the future path of inflation, growth, or interest rates. There are simply too many moving parts that we don't know. Good news is, what we do know is the best way to achieve long-term investment goals is to create a long-term investment plan and stay disciplined to that plan. Finally, year-end reminder. Holidays are coming up. Definitely create a spending budget. Stick with it. If you can't, make sure you're taking full advantage of maximizing your 401k, 403b, 457, and IRA contributions. Also take some time to define your family's financial goals and concerns for next year in 2024. As your advisor, we know how to guide you through this. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. Thanks for watching.